AI is ruining social media. So what do I mean by this? Well, a lot of people are using AI to make videos, and you know what these are. I've talked about these before and I hate them so much. YouTube automation is a thing that should not exist. So is TikTok automation. People make a lot of money off of these, and what are they? Well, it's AI making a video for you. But not just any video, those that feed on your attention span. You need fast-paced content fast. It also has to be long, but not too long. So it should be short, but not short that you don't understand. Yeah, it's a mess. That's why these exist. People nowadays just cannot focus and they need 2 videos going at the same time. But I mean, this video is not about this. It's about how it's ruining social media. The thing is with this method is for others that want to be just entertained, all they see is this. Me included. I consume a lot of content because making YouTube videos better is good. But with this in the way, I cannot find any good content. So now I have resorted to making it for others. I will probably be hated by the internet after I finish this video, but I will forever hate these kinds of videos. Forever. Sometimes they are entertaining because it's an actual good story. But when you are scrolling through TikTok or YouTube Shorts and all you keep seeing is the same story and the same question on Reddit with the same parkour map, you're gonna get sick of it, trust me. Anyway, if you want to get rich with this and you're looking at tutorials, go ahead. You can get very rich with this very fast, but it also takes a lot of consistency. And a lot of people lose motivation for content creation when they see this. And if this is on your main channel, then yeah, it sucks. It's a bad feeling. But when it's a side project like this, I can't really relate because, well, hopefully this video has more than 2 views. Anyway, I just had to make a rant about this, and maybe my face isn't so entertaining, so there you go. That should be better. Anyways, make sure to subscribe and like to see more of these rants and opinion videos. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.